Alright guys, in this video I have a 2017 Kia Rondo. Now the issue or customer concern with this one is basically that the airbag light is always on. So I haven't done anything to the vehicle yet, so what we're going to do is scan the vehicle. All I have done is just plug up the scanner, that's all. So we're going to verify customer complaint. Start the car. And as you can see, it didn't even go through a check. So it means that there is a constant issue onto the car. So next step is, try to get this up here for you guys, is auto detect. Now why is it done? Is it not on? No, it's on. That's weird. Opening Bluetooth connection. Okay, we're good. So we're gonna go VIN, auto detect. Yes. Good. My battery's dying on this, so I'm gonna try to get through this as quick as possible. We're gonna go diagnose. We're gonna go control unit. We're gonna go airbag. We're gonna go airbag event 1. We are gonna go to read codes. And we have a B137800 side airbag front driver resistance too high. So basically when you have a resistance too high code, it's basically saying that either there's an open, there's an open somewhere in the circuit. It could either be the component that's open or it could be wiring that's open. It could be also a connector. So we're going to have to go and verify that. Now, there's a very, very quick way to verify if you have an open in your wiring, which I'm going to show you guys real quick. And first thing we're going to do, we're going to escape this. And we're going to go to live data. We're going to go to current data. And it said the driver side airbag. So we're going to come all the way down. Now as you can see here, the driver side airbag, resistance, and it fails. Okay, and as you can see right here, look, your resistance is roughly about 2.5, 2.25, 2.3, 2.75 up here. So if you take that into account, there's a very, very easy way to verify your airbag system, and I'm going to show you guys that you guys don't need a special tool. All you guys need is a light bulb with roughly about the same resistance value as what the rest of the system is putting out. So I'm going to pause you guys, and I'm going to go unplug and connect everything to see what we can do. Alright, so where your driver's side airbag lives is actually on this side right here. Okay, but the connector for this airbag is actually underneath the seat. And it's the only yellow connector underneath there. All airbag connectors are always yellow just for easy identification. Up a light bulb. Now I have one side plugged up already, and I'm just going to take it and I'm going to plug up the other side. Just like that. Now, as you can tell, my driver's side airbag went to 3.2 ohms. And if you remember, my code was active in the system. So now what we're going to do, we're going to back up. We're going to escape that. We're going to go to read codes. And look at that. My code went into history right away. So now if I escape, I erase my codes. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now, remember my light stayed on a while ago. I'm going to cycle. There you go. So, with that being said, it's very important to remember that most airbag systems onto vehicles actually have a resistance value. Well, not most. All airbag systems have, if you have a component that has a resistance value. Now that value can be substituted with a value of equal or a little bit higher. I would say roughly about maybe a 10-15% difference, and you guys can normally get by with the testing. But it's just to go to show that you don't need special tools. If you don't have them, use what you got if you know how the way a system works. So this one is going to need a driver side airbag, which is this guy right here. And we're going to take and have one ordered, replace it, and that will be it for this one. Alright, so I just replaced the driver side airbag, and I'm just going to give you guys an after shot of the data. I haven't turned on the car, I haven't done anything yet, so we're going to turn the key on. We're going to wash the dash. And as you can see right away, my light goes out. So now what we're going to do, bring up the trusty hotel. We're going to go into data, VIN, auto detect. And we're going to go OK. We got to go in and clear the codes anyway. Yes. Diagnosis. Control unit. Airbag. Event 1. We're going to go recodes. And it should be in history. That's good. Live data. Current data. And whoop, driver side airbag. We have 2.3 ohms. So I would consider that a fix, especially since my light goes off now. So now we're just gonna go back. Escape. Oh, then you really have to erase. Erase codes. Yes, erase codes. And yes. And okay. So now we go escape. We'll go back down. And since I'm in the airbag module, it is lit up. Now I'm out and it turns off. So we're going to try this one more time just to make sure. And confirm fix. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys again. It just went back on because I just went back into the menu just to let you guys know. So if I escape, I'll escape that. And there you go. Light is back off. So I will see you guys next time.